Hey folks, today we are going to make a miniature shepherd's pie. That's right, a mini shepherd's pie. This could be used as a hearty appetizer, or if you serve 2 or 3 of them together, as a main course. Here's a look at the ingredients you will need. There's several different recipes for shepherd's pie, but this one's pretty simple, and we're going to pair it together with our world famous potato crack, our version of mashed potatoes. Just search on it on our channel page and you will see it. The title of it's called My Friends Call It Potato Crack. You'll love it. First, let's go ahead and get 1 pound of ground beef in a pan and brown that, or get it started. Next, go ahead and take out the pie crust and get that unrolled. Helps if it's close to room temperature. We need to make some round disc out of this. If you got a 4-inch cookie cutter, that would be ideal, or just take a large glass, but it needs to be about 4 inches. Any smaller, it just won't be large enough to fill the muffin pan that we're going to use it. Any larger, it will probably just overflow and the crust will burn. Keep an eye on your ground beef and make sure you brown that evenly. Sorry, I thought I had the camera rolling, but take a disc and place over each of the muffin holes and just sort of push them down to the bottom and stretch them out to the side, so we're making a mini pie shell is all what it really is. In the meantime, let's go ahead and dice up our onion. Now that the ground beef is done, drain that and set aside. And you can use the same pan to saute your onions. Now go ahead and add your ground beef back to the pan. Then we can go ahead and add our mixed vegetables to the pan and get those cooking. Let's go ahead and add a cup of vegetable broth, chicken broth, beef, whatever you prefer. I prefer chicken broth, but beef broth would be perfectly fine here. And a tablespoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to thicken the mixture here. Then we'll add one of the small cans of tomato paste. Now gently stir all of that in, and the tomato paste will take a little bit to work in, but just give it time, it'll mix in. One thing I forgot to mention is to put your pie crust in the oven for about 10 minutes so that partially bakes. Then we just simply fill the pie shells up with our filling. And add a large tablespoon of the mashed potatoes, aka potato crack, onto each of our little mini shepherd's pie. Now bake those for about 30 minutes or so, and now we get to plate them. If you've enjoyed this video, I ask you to go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps us out.